I used to write 15 tasks a day and finish 4. Then I found a rule with just 3 numbers in it. And now I clear my entire list almost every single day. In the next 3 minutes, I'll give you all 3 numbers, show you exactly how to use them tomorrow morning, and the one mistake that breaks this system for almost everyone, even people who follow it perfectly. That part's at the end. Don't skip it. The first number is 1. One big task. The thing that actually moves the needle. Finishing the client proposal. Writing the report you've been avoiding. And here's why this matters. Your brain can only deep focus on one major thing per day. That's not a productivity hack. That's just how attention works. Most people skip the big task and dive into easy busy work because busy work feels productive. But a day where you finish 10 small things and skip the one big thing is a day you'll still feel behind by noon. So, one big task, named, written down, first. The second number is 3. 3 medium tasks, important but not the main event. Replying to the emails that actually matter. Prepping tomorrow's meeting. Editing that document. They support your big task and keep the day moving. One warning though, this is where most lists secretly explode. If you catch yourself writing a 4th medium task, stop. It's either a big task in disguise or it's tomorrow's problem. The last number is 5. 5 small wins, 5 to 10-minute tasks. Pay the bill, book the appointment, clear the inbox. They look trivial, but they're the secret engine of this system because every box you check gives your brain a small hit of progress. And that momentum is what carries you back into the hard work. So that's the rule. 1 big, 3 medium, 5 small, 9 tasks, never more. Here's what that looked like for me last Tuesday. My 1, record and edit this video. My 3, answer 2 important emails, plan Thursday's script, and update a thumbnail. My 5, book the gym, send 1 invoice, water the plants, reply to comments, back up my files. 9 items, done by 4 p.m. And that used to be a 15-task day I'd fail at. Now, the mistake I promised you. It's not picking the wrong tasks. It's adding tasks after the day starts. Something new comes in, you slide it onto the list, and suddenly the cap is gone, and the whole system collapses back into an endless to-do list. So here's the fix. New tasks don't join today. They audition for tomorrow. Write them on a separate capture list and assign them tonight, when you plan your next one, your 3, and your 5. I've run this system for months, and it's the first one that survived contact with real life. So here's my challenge. Try it for just 3 days, and tell me in the comments how many of your 9 you actually finish. And if you want one simple productivity system like this every week, subscribe. The next one fixes your mornings.